Hi, today we're going to be looking at the Grandstand Scramble. Purchased this off eBay, it was for parts are not working. There's no battery cover for it unfortunately, but we'll put some batteries in and we'll see what it does. And it does nothing. Right, so the battery compartment actually looks okay. There's no signs of corrosion or anything here. Right, we'll have a look, see if we can repair it. Right, so how does the joystick come off? I wonder if there's a screw or something under the joystick. Alright then. So it looks like the main PCB is behind here. There's a DC power jack there. I wonder if I can get some tape and just tape these batteries in for now, just so we can check some voltages and that. One moment please. Right, got some batteries taped in there now. Get the old test meter out. And let's see if we get any voltage here. 6.22. I can see a couple of contacts down here. 6.22. Right, so there's a screw there. I'm just gonna switch it on a second. Just instead of taking that apart, I'm just gonna go along these pins just to see if there's any voltages. I seem to have a 5.59 on the on this pin here. What did I have? Let me just check we've got the 5.8. Well, something's definitely drawn power, because when you switch it on there's a voltage drop. 5.82 there and 6.15 now. So I would presume the switch is working, so I think the problem's further on. Let's see if we can take this part off. Right, now that looks like a ground. It goes all the way around pretty much. I would presume that that is the power in because it's a thicker track. Which seems to go to a small transistor or voltage regulator around about here, and then into this one. We could just double check that by, if I go into a diode check there. And we'll see that we have got a voltage drop from there to there. Yep. I'll just see if we get anything on these two pins. Yeah. Nice. Let's just see what we'll measure across these two. Almost a dead short. So about 60 ohms or something. Yeah. Which seems quite low. Let's just try this. Well, we've got a dead short from there to there, but that could just be measuring this coil. Well, that doesn't look good. Let's try this little transistor here. Right, I think that big transistor there, I think I'll take that out and measure it, because I don't think that's right. But sometimes you can only measure things properly when you take them out of circuit. So, we'll put the iron on. Go out eventually. Yeah, we've got a dead short. Dead short across this transistor here. Right, so that's definitely one problem with it. I'll just see if this other transistor measures okay now. Yeah, that looks like it's okay. I've got a couple of diodes. I'll just check. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We've got another couple of little transistors over here. I'll just check those ones. Yeah, looks okay. There's no shorts in any of those. There's another component here, but I'm not sure what that is. That's a crystal. XO2, so that's a crystal. Alright, so that's definitely short, so I shall see if I can get a replacement. And it's an NEC D992, so I think that'll be a 2SD992. I'll just double check. 882, sorry. So it'll be 2SD882. So we'll see if we can get one of those or an equivalent, and then we'll come back. It's been a couple of days now when the new parts arrived, so we'll just check that the new part is actually working. So if I measure the old part that I've just taken out, you can see there, almost short circuit and short circuit. If I measure this one, yeah, so that one's okay. Right, I'll just bend the legs roughly the same length, and then we'll chop them off, roughly the same angle, and then we'll chop them off, and then we'll solder the new part in. Right, so we shall see if it does anything now. Well, that's a good start. Yeah, well, that seems to work, so I think we'll start reassembling it, and I think we'll call this one another successful fix. Right then, let's see if it works okay. I'll just tilt it up so you can actually see the screen. Yeah, seems to work fine. So just a little blown transistor stopping the whole thing from working. So all in all, about £1.50 for the part to fix it, and that's it. So yeah, nice little repair. Well guys, if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a great day. Thanks for watching.